Good morning. Welcome to ABC Legal. How can I help you today? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for seeing me. Someone just told me and my husband that we're not legally allowed to work in Costa Rica. Is that true? Well, let's start from the beginning. What do you and your husband do? All right, so I am in real estate, selling properties, and my husband's a teacher. He works at a private school. We've been here a few years and everything was going great until someone told us we're not legally allowed to work here. Got it. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. I just need to clarify that you and your husband are permanent residents, yes? Kind of. We travel a lot, but Costa Rica is our home base. So I don't know if I'd call it permanent, but yeah, I mean, it kind of is permanent. I guess we have a home here. Okay. But do you and your husband, are you legal permanent residents with a card that would say, in English, it would translate to permanent resident, free of conditions? People call it a DMEX or a DIMEX in English. Oh, like a green card from the US. No, we don't have that. We're still trying to figure out what we're gonna do with residency and everything. Okay, well that makes things a little bit different, but let's move on. So the easy part probably is your husband's job. You said he's a teacher, right? So when he applied for the role, the school probably got him a work visa. Yes? A work visa? No, I don't think so. He filled out an application for the school, but I don't think there was anything official with the government because it's a private school. We were told that at private school, we don't need to have official documentations or anything like that. Okay. Well, actually, it doesn't matter whether it's public or private school. Either way, your husband would need a work visa to work here or permanent residency with the DMEX card. Yeah. Okay, so what about my real estate business? I don't hire anyone else. I mean, to be honest, between you and me, that's how I can make as much money as possible here. And I mean, I've heard that Costa Rica doesn't really have any regulations or laws around real estate agents. Anyone can be a real estate agent here. Actually, there are some regulations about real estate in Costa Rica. Yeah, about selling real estate in Costa Rica. The first one is you need permanent residency with the DMEX card. And then a few others will follow after that. But we don't even have to get into those at this point because you don't have permanent residency. So no, you shouldn't actually be doing any type of work around real estate for your business. So I can't run my business at all? That's a great question. Well, you actually can have a business in Costa Rica. Yes, the catch is you just can't work in it without permanent residency. So you can have a business and you can give opportunities to citizens and permanent residents, the ones with the DMEX card. You can give opportunities to those people to work in your business and to do all of the day-to-day, the selling, the marketing, the operations, all of that. You can do all of that, sure. You just can't work in the business. You have to hire people. Oh, okay. So what you're saying is I can have a business, but I can't work in the business. I have to actually hire citizens or permanent residents, and permanent residents that actually have a card that makes them legal to work in Costa Rica. And so I don't get all of the money. I have to pay them, and I have to pay taxes too. their taxes and I have to pay taxes on what I'm earning, like as an income. Is that accurate? Exactly. Yeah, that's how the laws work here. Wow, I didn't realize how complicated this all is. Well, it's not really complicated, and I say that kindly, but working illegally, if you think about it, you've moved to another country and you're taking away jobs and income from very able people that already live here, that are citizens or permanent residents who have gone through that process to get permanent residency. And so, yeah, it's not that complicated. Working legally, paying taxes on the income that you earn from selling your real estate and from teaching at the school, all of these things, it shows respect and responsibility towards Costa Rica and its people. As expats, you have a responsibility to follow the laws of this country that has given you the opportunity to live in it. Would you like to start the residency process? I'm happy to help you with that.